Lingkod dong.
Our dear Father John, Tita Helen, parents and friends, good afternoon. Today, we shall have our recognition day celebration. This is the most awaited day for us children who deserve to receive certificates and awards. We owe this to Jesus of Mama Mary, who always show us how to be good. We are happy you are all here, and we welcome you to this recognition day celebration. Thank you.
Thank you, Rachel, for the words of welcome. Now we have the presentation of candidates for recognition. Okay, Madam Helen de Guzman, by virtue of the authority vested upon me by Reverend Father John Yapono, the founder and president of Bethlehem Baker Center Foundation Incorporated, I hereby present to you the 16 boys, 16 girls, a total of 32 candidates for recognition for the school year 2008 and 2009.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me by Reverend Father John Yacono, the founder